Today, we're taking you behind the scenes inside a factory where Korean spicy noodles are made. Let's explore the journey of how these noodles are created, from start to finish. We begin in the warehouse, where all the ingredients are carefully stored. The necessary ingredients are selected and transported to the main production unit. Here, the magic starts. Simple ingredients like wheat flour, water, salt, and a special ingredient called kanu are combined to form the noodle dough. Kanu plays a crucial role in giving the noodles their perfect chewy texture, ensuring they're neither too hard nor too soft. The dough is mixed until it reaches the ideal consistency. Then it's transformed into a thin sheet using high-tech machinery and rollers. The dough passes through rollers that gradually thin it out to the perfect thickness for noodles. This sheet moves smoothly, becoming thinner and thinner until it reaches the cutting stage. Sharp blades then slice it into curvy noodles, with the process maintained through precision and automated separators to ensure consistent size and spacing. Next, the noodles go through steaming. Special nozzles spray water on them to help with the steaming process, partially cooking the noodles. After steaming, they travel on a conveyor belt to a cutting machine that sizes them just right. The machine works autonomously, cutting and shaping the noodles into molds for frying. After being fired for about 2 minutes in hot oil, the noodles are immediately removed from the molds. This part of the process is fully automated, ensuring efficiency without human involvement. The noodles are then prepared for packaging. Robotic arms pick up noodle cups and place them under machines that add pre-measured dried ingredients like green onions and mushrooms, along with the essential tastemaker and sauce packets. The lids are then carefully sealed by robots, keeping the noodles fresh until they reach consumers. Afterward, the cups are passed under rollers for final sealing, and machines wrap them in plastic for extra protection. All of this happens incredibly fast and efficiently, allowing the factory to produce thousands of noodle cups daily. The packaging process also involves robots. A large robot carefully stacks boxes of noodles, handling them with precision. These robots work with such accuracy and speed that they make the process smooth and error-free, ensuring that the factory can meet demand while reducing labor costs. And now for a fun treat, let's look at how colorful gummies and bubblegums are made. The gummies are packed with care, using machines to count and fill jars precisely. For bubblegum, machines take the sticky material, fill molds, and shape the gum with great accuracy. Switching gears, let's take a look inside a secure unit where dollar bills are made from scratch. Cotton fibers are shredded, chemically processed, and turned into continuous paper threads, which will form the basis for currency notes. Special security features, such as watermarks and holograms, are embedded into the paper during production to prevent counterfeiting. Once these features are added, the paper is rolled and cut into sheets ready for printing. The final stage involves printing intricate designs, portraits, and security patterns using advanced printing techniques. Offset printing, where the image is transferred from a metal plate to a rubber blanket before being applied to the paper, ensures detailed designs with clarity. Finally, specialized presses are used to print the distinctive shiny numbers on each note, confirming the authenticity of the currency. This whole process shows just how precise and advanced machinery is in producing everything from food to money, with each step carefully controlled for the best possible result. This was the final stage in the creation of your $100 bill, using advanced strategies and secret methods to ensure the authenticity of each note. Once printed, the bills are carefully boxed and transferred under heightened security to protect them from any intruders. Now, as we move on to the $20 bill production, we find ourselves inside the money-making facility where high numbers are in play. While the stacks of dollar bills are being printed, let's shift focus to what you could purchase for $20 at fast food chains in the US. As the currency's authenticity is verified and checked, let's head over to the intaglio printing area, a specialized technique used in currency production to create raised images and text on the paper. After the final print, with all details completed precisely, the bills are carefully cut into perfect shapes, ensuring uniform size and thickness for easy handling and counting. The finished bundles of bills are packed into clear plastic wraps and sealed in boxes for transport. These notes are secured with premium sealing tape, Switching gears, let's dive into the world of chocolate, an indulgence that captivates the taste buds of many across the globe. Whether you're following a zero-sugar diet or simply indulging in your cravings, chocolate remains a timeless treat. Dark chocolate, in particular, is often lauded for its rich flavor and potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it's said to help boost mood and reduce stress, making it a perfect treat when enjoyed in moderation. Studies suggest that dark chocolate, with its higher cocoa content, can also help improve brain function and heart health. Of course, it's important to enjoy it responsibly, as its rich taste can sometimes lead to overindulgence. For those seeking a balance, opting for lower sugar versions can be a satisfying compromise. So next time you savor a piece of dark chocolate, think of it as a little mood booster with potential health perks. Just be mindful of the portion. Now let's turn our attention to breadsticks, a crunchy and crispy snack that's both versatile and enjoyable. These slender, crisp delights have a rich history, often associated with Italian cuisine, but enjoyed around the world in various forms. Whether dipped in olive oil, paired with a hearty soup. Next, let's explore the fascinating world of dairy, where the journey from farm to table involves intricate processes designed to ensure the highest quality. The age-old saying, "happy cows produce the best milk," is more than just a myth. It's grounded in the well-being of the animals. In some innovative farms, cows are even treated to a relaxing experience before milking with virtual reality glasses, which help calm them and improve the quality of the milk they produce. These technological advancements ensure that the cows are stress-free, promoting healthier milk production. In automated milking systems, cows enter stalls equipped with milking units, where a controlled vacuum is used to extract the milk gently and efficiently without human intervention. After the milk is collected, it undergoes rigorous quality checks before being transported to dairy facilities. Here, the milk is heated to a specific temperature, and through a process known as centrifugation, it is separated into skim milk and cream. The skim milk is then packaged and sold as is, while the cream undergoes pasteurization and maturation to become butter. Butter and margarine have long been kitchen staples, each with its own process and health debates. Butter is made by churning cream until it separates into solid butter and liquid buttermilk, then washed for a smooth finish. Despite its higher saturated fat, butter is favored for its rich flavor. Margarine, made from vegetable oils through emulsification, was once seen as the healthier option, but trans fats in some varieties have led to reconsiderations. Both have merits depending on taste and dietary needs. When melted, butter or ghee transforms in texture and color, becoming a smooth golden liquid perfect for cooking. Ghee, made by boiling butter to remove milk solids, extends shelf life and enhances flavor. For more on food processes, check out our recent video on bread or jam production.